आज हाथ खाली है मेरा भाई। फोन को मैंने खड़ा कर दिया आज तो वीडियो बनाने के लिए। आहा, आजादी। और भूख लगी, मुझे जोरों की भूख लगी। तो भाइयों मैंने जाके बना के खा लिया। कुछ दिन पहले मैंने बोला था मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में कि मैं इसके बारे में एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा और मैं दिखाऊंगा आप लोगों को मैंने ये कैसे बनाया है। तो उसके बाद मैं एक रिव्यू भी करूंगा उसका कि वो कैसा बना था। खाने के बाद पता चलेगा कि कैसा बना था। उसके पहले तो दिखने में तो अच्छा ही लग रहा था। तो अगर आप लोगों को रिव्यू भी देखना है तो ज़रूर मेरा वीडियो लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। तो नमस्ते, बड़ों को प्रणाम और बाकी सबको आका का प्यार। तो ये चॉकलेट मिल्क शेक, डालगोना कॉफ़ी और मिल्क मेड का कॉम्बिनेशन में मैंने ये कॉफ़ी बनाया था। तो डालगोना कॉफ़ी तो यूट्यूब टीचर ने सिखा दिया, और फिर मिल्क मेड तो आप लोगों को पता है मिल्क मेड। और ये जो चॉकलेट मिल्क शेक है उसका शेफ यहीं पे मास्टर शेफ खड़ा हूँ आप लोगों के सामने। तो आप लोगों को दिखाता हूँ कि मैंने ये कॉफ़ी कैसे बनाया। तो बाकी सब मेरा थोड़ा सा ऐसा ऐसा इंग्लिश में बनाया था वो वीडियो। उस टाइम मेरा इंग्लिश निकल रहा था खाने के समय में। तो मेरा इंग्लिश भी सुन लीजिए और देख लीजिए कैसा बनाया ये कॉफ़ी। So these are the ingredients which I'm going to use to make my coffee. The milk, I'm using 1 packet of milk which I'll boil to its half its quantity so that it becomes thickened. Choco powder, milk maid, sugar and coffee. All the ingredients which I'm going to use won't be like full of this amount. I'll use little of the amounts, and I'll show the amounts and all when I'll be making all the processes and all. So these are all the ingredients which I'm going to use. So okay, first process is I'll boil the milk to the half of its amount. Now you can see that I poured the milk in the vessel and placed it to boil. After it starts to get boiled, we have to stir it always so that it does not get burned till the milk is reduced till it's half its quantity. It gets thickened so that our chocolate milk which I'm going to make with the milk is thick. So okay, now after when I've be finished with the thickening process of this milk, then I'll again show you how I have made the milk, how thick is the milk. I'm stirring the milk so that it does not get thick. I'll be heating this till it gets half its quantity. Just now it's like this much thick only, so I have to make it almost it's half its quantity, so it becomes a thick milkshake, chocolate milkshake. Now you can see my milk has almost reduced to half and it's become a little bit thick also. So now after some time I'll off it and I'll take it to my room, but I'll be storing it always so it's cool it. When I'll be cooling it, I don't want curd to be formed on it, so I'll store it and make it cool and add the ingredients also side by side. Okay, now you can see this my milk. So the thickness of this is done because only so that I can make the chocolate milk a bit thick kind. And in this one I won't be adding sugar, but I'll be using this milk maid and this cocoa powder. Now I'll add cocoa powder and milk maid according to my taste. So I'll add those and I'll show you how much. Maybe I'll add 2 spoons of cocoa powder and little bit of milk maid. So after adding those, I'll show you how this one looks. So I just added 1.5 spoon of this spoon of cocoa powder because I think that's going to be enough. So I have to keep on stirring this because cocoa powder takes a bit time to mix. So I'll stir it, and after that I'll add the milk maid according to the taste. It has been almost 15 minutes of me stirring this cocoa powder, but the thing is that if I had used a mixie, it would have been stirred much faster, but there would be lots of wastage. The quantity in which I am making is little less amount, so it's better if I use only one utensil. Otherwise, using this mixie would have done it very fast and would have made it froth, but I don't want froth because this is going to be in the lowest base, so froth is not necessary. Now I'll put the milk maid, and then again I'll stir so that the small these grains which are still left of cocoa powder also gets dissolved. Then I'll show you. So after adding 4 teaspoons of milk maid, then I found out the taste which is suitable to my choice. So I'm making this thing is like an trial and error method, so I can't make errors, but I have to do trials in between. So just now when I tested, I found the sweetness is right up to the choice. The reason behind making this one also syrup thick also is because like I want to try something in which I'll put this syrup in this glass now afterwards. So first the chocolate milk, then a little bit of milkshake, and on top of that the coffee, so dalgona coffee. So trying to make this thick is that the milk maid does not go beneath it. Okay, that's why only I am trying to make it thick. That's the reason making this chocolate milkshake thick. So okay, I think my chocolate milkshake is over now. So I'll prepare the dalgona coffee, and I'll show you the process how I'm preparing the dalgona coffee. So I'll come back again. As you can see now, I have poured the chocolate milkshake in the glass, and now I'm going to prepare the dalgona coffee. So the process of making dalgona coffee is coffee, sugar, and warm water, and you mix it and then you stir it. Now if you have the right equipments, you have the mixing machine, you have to mix it for like 8 minutes, then you'll get a whisk kind of coffee. Very creamy, very different looking coffee. But like I am using just a spoon, so maybe I have to whisk it for around 20 minutes. So I'll whisk it and I'll show you the process in between. So I'll start making this coffee and I'll show you in time to time video. So after whisking it for 1 minute, it has come like this. It's a very long process. As it changes, I'll show you the changes and all. Now it has been around 4 minutes of whisking, and I think the lumps have all been dissolved in this, and slight color change is also coming. So the process is going on. So it was taking lots of time, and I also tasted it. It was very bitter, so I added 3 teaspoons of sugar just now, and I went inside and got an helper. So I think I'll use this one so that the process gets a little bit fast. So I'll taste it again in meantime after some time to see whether the sugar amount is okay or not. Now after I have started using the whisker, it's been like around 2 minutes. A bit of texture has been changed. I have lots of process still going on. It has been around 5 minutes of me whisking, and the color has changed till this much. Still more I have to whisk it. It has been around 20 minutes, and so it has turned out to be somewhat like this way. Now I think still few minutes of more is required, then it's going to be ready. So now you can see this. I have made this one. Now after this I'll put all the ingredients in the glass and then I'll show you. I hope as I have planned it will be like that only. So this is the one I have made. I have made this one with less milk made out there. This is for my mother. So we'll ask her how is the taste. अलग अलग लेवल को खाने जानु.
अलग अलग लेवल को.
हाँ. नीचे में आपका चॉकलेट मिल्क शेक है, बीच में डालगोना कॉफी और ऊपर में मिल्क मेड का टॉपिंग्स. कस्तो भएछ?
खै म त एउटै टेस्ट
एउटै टेस्ट आयो?
राम्रो छ होला के यो माथिसम्म. त्यसले गर्दा चाहिँ पहिलाकै टेस्ट सकेको छैन.
कैसा टेस्ट है आपका पहले का टेस्ट? कड़वा आ रहा है कि मीठा आ रहा है कि?
मीठा पहिलाको, त्यहाँदेखि अहिले अलिकति थोड़ा थोड़ा कड़वा.
थोड़ा थोड़ा तो कड़वा. सो ठीक है, अब मैं अपने भाई को दूंगा, उससे भी पूछेंगे कैसा लग रहा है. उसका कप में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, मिल्क मेड ज़्यादा है. तो दिस वन इज़ फॉर माई ब्रदर. नाउ वी गोना आस्क हिम हाउ इज इट. या ओके, थम्स अप. ओके. मज़ा आ गया. चॉकलेट मिल्क शेक, डालगोना कॉफ़ी और मिल्क मेड का टॉपिंग्स खाकर. पहली बार बनाया था तो फर्स्ट प्राइज मैन, फर्स्ट प्राइज. मैं खुद को ही दे दिया. आप लोग भी कमेंट करिए देखने में कैसा था. मैं बोलते रहता हूँ आप लोग कमेंट करिए, पर आप लोग लिखते नहीं है. टू बैड, सो सैड. फिर भी मैं आशा करता हूँ आप लोगों का प्यार के लिए. रिव्यू टाइम. चॉकलेट मिल्क शेक, चुम्मेश्वरी, मिल्क मेड. आहा, क्या कहना है, उसी ने तो बचाया मेरे को. सो 2 मिस्टेक्स. जिस बर्तन में मैं बना रहा था, मैं कॉफ़ी फेंट रहा था, उसके जगह बोल होना चाहिए था, तो वो 10 ही मिनट में बन जाता. पूरा आधा घंटा का मेरा वर्कआउट हो गया, पूरा वर्कआउट. और सेकंड मिस्टेक, मैंने कॉफ़ी बहुत ज़्यादा ले लिया, तो मेरा डालगोना कॉफ़ी की जगह करेला कॉफ़ी बन गया था. तो वही मिल्क मेड ने मेरा इज्जत बनाए रखा. सो 2 या 3 चम्मच में हो जाता. तो अगली बार जब बनाऊंगा तो पता चला कि सही यूटेंसिल और कम कॉफ़ी. और फिर मिलता हूँ आप लोगों के साथ. मेरा टीवी कैसे टूट गया ये वीडियो लेकर. तब तक आप लोग शेयर करिए, लाइक करिए, और जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो सब्सक्राइब भी करिए. और आप लोग घर में बनाते रहिए, अच्छा सा बनाइएगा कॉफ़ी, जिससे कि आप लोग देते रहे मुझे प्यार और ऊपर वाले का प्यार. ओवर एंड